Does it work? Okay, hope. Hi, I'm Leslie. My mom said...
Coding is easier than cooking.
I'm not sure. Maybe she's right. Oh, she's a web developer.
In any case, I would like to check that statement. So, I'm starting my new tech blog where I will share my journey and all things I've done along the way. Follow me to find out whether I will become the next Bjarne Stroustrup or end up preparing burritos in Mexico.